If you see the TikTok error, live access removed, it means that you have been banned from broadcasting live on TikTok. This can happen for a number of reasons, including violating the TikTok community guidelines, repeatedly broadcasting copyrighted content, spamming or harassing other users, engaging in other harmful or disruptive behavior. If you have been banned from broadcasting live, you will see a message that explains the reason for your ban and the length of the ban. You can appeal the ban by clicking the Appeal button in the message. If your appeal is successful, your live access will be restored. However, if your appeal is unsuccessful, you will remain banned from broadcasting live for the duration of the ban. Here are some tips to avoid getting banned from broadcasting live on TikTok. Make sure that you are following the TikTok community guidelines. Do not broadcast copyrighted content without permission. Be respectful of other users and avoid spamming or harassing them. Do not engage in any other harmful or disruptive behavior. If you have any questions or concerns about live broadcasting on TikTok, you can contact TikTok support for help. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to TechSor for more videos.